How to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube in 2020. Today's video is about scripting your videos, how you best script your YouTube videos for retention time, for hooking your audience right into your videos. So stick with me, and I have a lot of tips on how you do and what's important for you to script your videos. I am Ralf Straaberg, and this is Tube Tuesday. How to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube and how to script your videos. In today's video, I will give you 5 tips on how you should structure your videos, things that you should keep in mind when you are making your videos so that you have your audience looking at your videos, so you get the attention from your audience and they keep watching your videos over and over again and for longer and longer time. First, you want to hook your audience. You want to have a title and a thumbnail that really grabs the attention so that people are inclined to click on your video and want to watch what it is you have. And then you make a short introduction after you have hooked them in. So you make an introduction about what it is they can expect when they look at your video. And this should be very short, not 5 minutes where you talk about what is going to happen. So keep it short, keep it simple and straight to the point. Have a structure on how you are going to serve your content to your audience. Let them know what they can expect if they keep watching your videos. And the good thing is, have a call to action, have something like you have a bonus later if they keep watching to the end. Number 4, you want to have some bonuses, something extra, a little unexpected to people, so they will get the surprise and will be happy to have viewed your videos for a longer time. These bonuses can be anything, like you have something you want them to click on in your description. So click here for extra information, click here to go into my Facebook group. I have it right down there. Click and follow to my Facebook group. Or I have made this PDF. If you want to know more, click the PDF and sign up here. Opt into my course. Anything you have extra you want to serve to your audience, you will keep after you have served your content, like an extra bonus, something juicy that makes people say, oh, thank you. Bonuses can also be extra tips, something you know that's related to the subject you're talking about right now. You say, and by the way, did you know that this, and this also does this and this and this? And number 5, you want to have a CTA, a call to action. When people have watched your video for this long, you want to make sure that they are staying in your world, or they do what it is you actually want them to do when they clicked your video here in the first place. So ask them to subscribe to your channel, ask them to like and comment on your videos, ask them to click the link that you want them to click in your description. Tell people what to do. You cannot expect people to automatically find out, okay, I need to click this link, I need to do this and this and this. You have to ask for it. Ask for the subscription. Ask for people to go click your link and join your Facebook group. These is the things that you need to do in each and every video to make sure people do what it is you actually want them to do. Don't hint in your videos that now your video is over. Don't go like, so guys, that's it. Bye bye. See you next time, before you are actually totally finished with your video. If you hint like this too early in your videos, people will drop out from your videos because they're believing, okay, now it's over. I've seen what I came here for. Keep people watching, keep them on your channel, keep them in your videos. And before your video is over, make sure you pop up end screens in your videos so that people have a chance to look other videos. Like, see, I have made this video here on how to get 100 subscribers, and this video here on also how to get 100 subscribers with another topic. That way you keep people watching your videos, you keep them on your channel, and they will be interested in looking at more content, because now they're here, they're actually interested in what it is you have to say, so you want to push them into more related content. Also, make the end cards so you point up sometime in the video, or make a pop sound where the end card pops up and says click here for more videos, or watch this playlist on the related subject. Ralf Straaberg, and if you like what you see here, hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel for more goodies on how you can increase your YouTube audience, your subscribers, and your watch time. What was your biggest takeaway here in today's video? Let me know in the description field below, and I'd like to hear how you are going to structure your videos, and if there was something you were not really aware of you needed to do in your videos. Also, if you want to know more about how to grow your YouTube channel, and if you want to have tips and tricks also on how you can start a business as an entrepreneur, I have a link in the description where you can go and join my Facebook group, and I have also a link to a free webinar training where you can go and you can join the training and see how you can start a business from scratch, and within the next 90 days get a sustainable income. I'm Ralf Straaberg. Keep watching the videos that pop up on the screen, and make sure that you go out there and you create content for the world to look at. Join me next time, next Tuesday, for more goodies here on Tube Tuesday.